Israel is on high alert again. This time the threat comes from Yemen's Houthi forces who launched fourth wave of drone attack over the Israeli airspace. The drones caused massive disruptions, forcing Ben Gurion Airport to shut down completely, grounding all the flights. In the meantime, people in southern Israel and nearby Palestinian areas heard sirens blaring as authorities scrambled to respond. You know what? Even Israel's advanced military couldn't stop all the drones. Multiple helicopters tried to chase them, but the drones evaded interception for minutes, showing how tricky modern drone warfare has really become. In the meantime, Houthi spokesperson Mr. Yahya Sari called the attack revenge and even claimed a hit near a sensitive site in Dimona, the location of Israel's nuclear facility. But you know why now? The timing is really tense. Just a day before, Jerusalem suffered a deadly terror attack, making this new wave of drones a major escalation in the ongoing conflict. Here, analysts say that this signals that the Houthis, they are not just targeting Israel casually, they are strategically trying to hit high-value targets to send a very strong message. The bigger picture is this. This isn't just about drones. It is a warning that conflicts in the Middle East can spill far beyond the local borders. Houthis' drones, Hamas attack and rising Israeli airstrike together create a volatile chain reaction, putting civilians, infrastructure and region at a high risk. And you know, the ordinary people, they are suffering the most. For them, the fear is real. Airspace is no longer safe, airports are closed, and every single siren brings a lot of panic. Governments and militaries, they are now forced to rethink their strategies against small, fast and deadly drone attack, a modern tool of warfare that is changing the game entirely. So basically, in short, Israel is grappling with unprecedented aerial threat, and the Houthis are showing the world that even smaller groups can create chaos with the right technology.